up guys? We're back at the Fab School. So now we are on to our third project. So our third project was super fun. We all got to build a welding table that we were able to take home and use in our own workshops. This was really fun for me because it was our first practical project. Everything else was kind of just like putting pieces of tube together, nothing that we could actually use. This is the first thing that we were able to bring home and actually put to use and do good work. It was a really cool project. We covered the fundamentals of reading construction documents. So we were all given blueprints and we were taught how to read them and what each little symbol and every little letter meant in reading the blueprints. We took the blueprints, and from the blueprints, we had to make a cut list. So basically that was just a list of every part that needed to be cut, what size it needed to be, what kind of angles we needed to cut. Once we had that cut list drawn out, we were able to go into the workshop, source material, and just start chopping up pieces. Mine came out a little wonky. I could have done it a little better on round 2, but it was still a lot of fun and I learned a lot through the project. But I'm excited for what comes next.